behind the scenes of our epic fails.
Hi, I'm Eric and the camera girl Sierra.
Yeah!
We're gonna show you the behind the scenes of our epic fails.
Like this.
Hey.
He's our stunt double.
Yeah, I'm the stunt double.
And this is
the rabbit swan we use for
my
it.
favorite.
Yeah.
My favorite.
He attacks me and both of them. And these are the stairs we use. I just pretend to fall. I don't actually hurt myself. Well, sometimes I do. See, I always usually on the third step I slip. But if you know in our first one, I slip out the last time I go like that. It's just a simple hurt.
Yeah.
And gymnastics are never supposed to be done in jeans. It's kind of funny. You just run, and I have to jump, and I'm trying to do a flip, and I just fall right flat on the ground.
Yes, and it's very. And this mat.
All we use is a fake phone. And I just call it up, and it tasers me.
Sorry, I dropped the iPod.
It tasers me.
Yes.
And
here's the magazine that we used when he tripped. And that is my brother that's in them that he taught. But here's the Teen Vogue one. It's March.
And here's the dinosaur that attacks me.
Yes, and bites his finger off.
Yes. Not really.
Not really.
All 5 fingers are still here. See?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes.
Yeah. And then here's the cage for it, and here's the trick we use for our first one when getting hit. The helmet I trip over.
Okay.
And yeah, behind the scenes of our 2, and we will probably make a third and make a behind the scenes for that one.
Yes.
Bye. All right, bye YouTube.
Peace out, home dogs. Yeah.